Hello, greetings to you. Welcome to Touch Billions Real Estate Community. I want to say a very big thank you and congratulate you for choosing to be a part of this journey of building a very large real estate community. And we're super excited to have you. Now, you've made a very incredible decision because the truth is one of the safest form of investment is investing in land. And you want to be among those people that will help as many people to become landowners, to become landlords, right? And it's something to be very much super proud of. It's something also to be very much super excited about. For us as a community, our passion is very simple to help as many people become landowners or property owners or landlord or landladies. But most importantly, we are partnering with reputable real estate organizations that have actually stood the test of time. It's one thing to offer properties to people. It's one thing to offer genuine properties to people. And that is why we've taken our time in within a 6-year period to look at companies that have actually been consistent in what they do, and we've actually selected a one or two that we're actually going to be working with, and we're super excited about that. One is because of their high level of credibility. It's because of how they've been actually been attending to their clients and customers, and how they've not had any form of issues over the years. As a community, our focus is to make money, or should I say earn commissions, why we get people to become owners of these properties from these real estate companies, from these real estate companies. Now, it will also interest you to know that you can also benefit from this. You and I know that land or buildings is not something they buy every day. It's not like the pure water you see that, or bottled water that people will actually buy every day. People actually plan this into their budget, or plan that, okay, this year I want to acquire a property. That's where we come in. And what the system we have in place has made it so possible that you can actually build a community of people that can actually make sales from their efforts. You also benefit from their effort through what commissions. Now, let me also share with you our vision. Our vision here is very simple. Our vision is to build a community of 1,000 people within from now to December. So you are part of something special, and also where it's a movement that is bigger than just selling properties. Here we are building a strong team, supporting each other, and creating real success stories. Our vision is 1,000 active realtors by December 2025 and 10,000 by December 2026. Together, we can actually make this what happen. The community is not only about business, it's about growth, learning, and teamwork. With the power of network marketing, we are not just only here to sell houses, we're also here to change lives, create wealth, and open doors of opportunities for many people, right? So we're here to learn and grow as realtors, share opportunities with others, and while building our team and be a part of what a family that celebrates success. So very quickly, I would want to share with you how can you build your own community very fast. Now, if you notice something very unique before you join this community here on our WhatsApp here, you were actually sent a very simple message. And that message was just very simple. Somebody reached out to you and sent you a message that really got what your what attention. And this was what the message was, right? When the person forwarded this message to you, the person said, "Good evening." Let's say depending if it's morning, afternoon, or evening. The person said, "I have a very quick question for you. Do you have an interest in real estate? I'm currently building a sales team in real estate that these individuals will be trained properly on how to make money from the real estate sector through sales. Want to know if you're interested in an extra source of income for you." And because of you actually replied to yes to that single message that was sent to you, the person forwarded you another information that carried a link for you to register, and also the link to our WhatsApp community where we offer trainings and updates on the real estate business. This is how you can actually grow your community. That simple. Personally, I send this message to 50 persons in a day. You can actually do 5 persons in a day. You can do 2 persons in a day. You can do 10 persons in a day. You can do 20 persons in a day, depending on how convenient it is. If you send this message to people and the people reply with a yes, send them the next message that carries the link. Now note, the link there already is the link of the person that invited you. So once you've registered, check your dashboard of the real estate organization. You will see your own link. Edit that, remove that link of that person that sent to you, and put your own link there. And of course, the WhatsApp community is there. Once you send it, the person will register with your link and joins the WhatsApp community. That's one of the most unique thing about what we have here, and it was super what exciting. You can be able to build what's it called, an organization through this. The unique part is that as these people join with your link and start getting trainings and start getting to understand what we're offering here, and they make sales along the line, you also earn a commission from that transaction. That is what is unique about what we are offering here at Touch Billion Real Estate Community. So I'm here to encourage you. Get that message, forward it to people on a daily basis, right? If they indicate interest, send them the next information that contains your referral link and also the link to join the WhatsApp community, where they'll be getting information and what updates as well. Don't also forget that if they reply with no, they are not interested, ask them for a referral. Do you know anybody that might have interest in this opportunity, or or have interest in real estate? If they say no, don't stress them. Just end that conversation there. If they say yes, ask for the referral, either the contact of the person to be able to chat the person up on WhatsApp. But I'm here to tell you, this is the fastest way you can build a real estate community for yourself. I'll say that again, very simple. That message that was sent to you asking you if you have interest in real estate sales, and you reply with a yes, forward that information to as many people as possible on a daily basis. And when they indicate interest, send them the next information that has your WhatsApp link, your referral link to the real estate business, and also the WhatsApp community link that will help them join the Touch Billion Real Estate community. And together, we can build a community of 10,000 people by the end of December 2026. Thank you very much once again. As you know, building a business in real estate is not going to be easy. People don't buy real estate on a regular, but trust me, if you are consistent, you're going to make commissions on a regular basis. And this is super exciting. Once again, welcome to Touch Billions Real Estate Community. Stay blessed.